Okay, so check out this awesome suitcase. It's a hard case. It's got these nice wheels on the bottom. And then for locking up, well, let me show you the lock first. I love this. So you've got this zipper that when you unzip it all the way around, it expands and gives you an extra 2 inches. So if you need extra space, you've got it. With these zippers, if I pull them around to lock it, I want to leave it right there. And then bring this around. Check this out. You've got a code that you can set, and then they'll lock right in. So you've got a lock built into the suitcase, and then if you have it set, then you just hit the button and they pop out. So that is super cool. You've got a handle here that expands. So great for carting things around. And this is going to fit as a carry-on on an airplane, and it's really built for that kind of travel. So you've got these straps to hold things in and a big compartment on this side. On this side, you've got a full compartment as well. So you see as we unzip this, you've got a full compartment there. And then kind of your garment bag that you can put your dirty clothes or your underwear or whatever. And so I like that that's separate. Even if you wanted to bring shoes, you could put them in a zippered off separate compartment, which is really nice. It's really got everything you need for travel. And we got it for an airplane, but we also thought this is great to throw in the van because it stacks really well. It's just a nice shape. And so you can put other bags on top of it. It's a really awesome suitcase.